You ever get that feeling where you just know you're meant for something more? I do. And honestly, the vision that excites me most is building a life where I wake up every day feeling energized, purposeful, genuinely happy about the work I do. I picture myself in a cozy home office, sunlight coming through the window, creating things that matter, videos, writing, helping others grow. But let's be real, that big vision can feel intimidating. It's easy to get overwhelmed or stuck in your head. So I've learned to focus on small, manageable steps. For me, that means setting aside just 15 minutes a day to work on my passion projects. No pressure to make it perfect, just consistent progress. Maybe it's writing one paragraph, recording a quick idea, reaching out to someone who inspires me. I also try to celebrate the small wins, finishing a book, nailing a morning routine. It reminds me that every little step counts, and that momentum builds over time. If you've got a vision for your future, no matter how big or wild, try breaking it down into tiny actions you can start today. You don't need to have it all figured out. Just move forward, a little bit at a time, because honestly, the most exciting part isn't just the destination. It's the journey of becoming that version of yourself you dream about. And it all starts now.